In the olden times, there is no distinction between man and a woman. It's all together, just plain adultery. You occupy a high position, tapos paano ano ganyan. Let me ask her, what is the name of your driver? At bakit may malaking bahay yan? Can he afford it? Who made it for him? You might want an answer, or you might give us an answer because driver mo, lover mo. Tapos you have the goal asking people about bullshit mo behana. Kasi nakaposture yung, what do you mean? Anong pagtingin mo sa amin? Bobo?